In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for real estate. If you want a faster way to organize leads, properties, and client activity inside Monday.com, this is a great place to start. Rather than building everything from scratch, you can use a ready-made real estate template and customize it later to fit your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find that template and get it added to your workspace. First, from your Monday.com workspace, click the plus icon. This is where you go whenever you want to create something new, like a board, document, or workspace item. In this case, we're using it to begin setting up a real estate system. If you're new to Monday.com, think of this as the main starting point for creating and organizing your process. After that, click Start with Template. This option is helpful because it saves time and gives you a structured setup right away. Instead of manually creating columns, groups, and workflows on your own, Monday.com provides templates designed for specific use cases, including real estate. That makes it much easier to get up and running quickly. Once the template center opens, type in real estate in the search bar. This search is meant to help you pull up real estate related templates. As you type, you should start to see matching results appear. If needed, give it a second for the results to load, especially if your connection is a little slow. From the search results, click on Real Estate CRM. This is the template you'll use to manage real estate contacts and related activity. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management Board, is useful for tracking leads, conversations, follow-ups, and deal progress all in one place. Choosing this template gives you a framework that's already designed around the needs of a real estate workflow. Then click Use Template. This will add the template to your Monday.com account so you can begin working with it right away. Once it loads, you'll be able to review the structure, explore the columns, and start adapting it to your business. For example, you can later rename stages, update statuses, or add fields that match your own sales process. And that's it. By starting with the Real Estate CRM template, you give yourself a solid foundation without spending extra time building everything from the ground up. It's a simple way to bring more organization into your real estate workflow and make Monday.com easier to use from day one. From